I'm just going to give you a video walk round of this really nice 2022 February, so it's a 22 on a 71 registration. WILDTRAK, it's a 2-litre bi-turbo. This is one we did from new, the conversion, and we've just taken it back in part exchange against a new pickup. It's got the Mustang headlights as you saw there. Condition wise, it is lovely. It's done 72,700 miles. Really good service history. Recently had a really big service and timing belt replaced. He's looked after it very well. We're going to start here at the back and carefully show you around. So it's got the tow bar with single socket, full black pack, tinted rear lights, the LED lights, wide arch extensions, all blacked. It's got the mountain top, roll top, and a plastic liner in the back. Wheels, super condition, they're all the 20-inch satin black, and it's got BF Goodrich tyres, really chunky tread there. Side steps, wind deflectors, limo privacy glass to the rear, and we've done a bespoke leather interior from new on this one, which we'll show you shortly. Looking down the side, really nice, just had it all detailed and machine polished. It is looking really good. Bonnet vents, front bumper guard, the big Ford grille, front and rear parking sensors, and front bar. Right, we've got both keys, clear HPI report, full book pack, locking wheel bolt, all the service history there, and at 72,400 miles, so not long ago, March 25, big service and replaced timing belt. So it's done at 14, 16, 7, 28, 9, 60,400, 69, 8 and 72. Also another one there at Ford at 47,540. So really good service history. It's been well looked after and it drives really well. Same down this side, all looking good as you can see. Looks like a 20,000 mile pickup truck this. A few little marks on the edge of the tailgate. I think you can get a trim for that. We'll see if we've got one. Plastic liner, all nice condition. It's not been really used as a pickup truck, more of a car for this gentleman. Now, suspension lift we did as well, so it's looking good. Right, we'll start in the back and show you this really nice bespoke leather we did. Tan, black inserts, Isofix, and it was quite a few £1,000s upgrade, including the dash top, all stitched in leather, gear gaiter, front armrests, and all the door panels. Seats are all nice, electric seats. Full specification on our website. Automatic Tiptronic gearbox, power fold mirrors, black headliner being a WILDTRAK. I'll just stand back, give you a side view. You see those LED rear lights there, really good. VAT qualifying, still. And we're supplying it with 15 months AutoGuard premium warranty. So really good history, timing belt replaced, recent big service, MOT till January 2026. Any questions? If you'd like to give Harvey a ring on this one, telephone number 0777 111 2040. All ready to go. Any questions? Please give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.